Hello everybody, Cryo Dog here, doing an unboxing today for the Bissell Readyclean deep cleaning system. This is a carpet shampooer or a rug shampooer. It's powerful and convenient, space-saving design. You can see that. Collapsible handle, filled flat tank. Now what does this other one say? Removable nozzle. So we're just going to open it up and put it together. So let's get started. I've got my trusty knife. So let's flip it over. Let's cut it from the top here. If I can find the seam. There we go. This one wants to be difficult. There, got it all at one time. Alright, let's see what we've got here. First thing, we've got some instructions. Manual. Whoop. We've got a reservoir tank. Not exactly sure if this is the water or the cleaning solution holder. We shall see. We've got a sample of some Bissell Spring Breeze floor cleaner or carpet cleaner. Awesome. What else we got here? Let's take the top foam piece out. And we have the, I'm guessing that's the base where the cord wraps around here. And the collapsible handle goes in there. And that connects to the base. Bissell Readyclean. Alright, let's lay that to the side. We have the handle. Easy pull trigger. Cord clip there. And it looks like we have some screws to put it together with. Let's go ahead and take those off so we don't lose them. And they're going to make it difficult. There we go. I'll set the screws to the side for now. Lovely little handle there. Ooh. Take that piece out. That piece broke off. That's the empty box. And this is the base. Take the plastic off. Get the cord out of the way. Alright. Not too shabby. It's got the nice roller brush on the bottom there. Looks pretty simplistic. Doesn't have a lot of buttons or dials. I'm guessing this here is to start and relieve the lever so it will recline. So press this that reclines. Pretty easy to push too. Let's see how this compartment comes off. Looks like it should do. Okay, it comes off on the side. There's two little clips. There's two little clips right here. You snap on, pop off. There's one on each side. Just lifts off. Pretty cool. Looks pretty, pretty simple. There's a little hose, or tube that runs out. I'm guessing that releases the shampoo onto the floor. Pretty neat. Let's just see how easy it is to put it back on. So just set it on there. Clamp it down. Couldn't be easier. It's in place. Now, this piece, pretty sure, goes right there. Somehow or another. I think it just fits in like that. Push it forward. I think I'm going to put some screws in there. So let's get some screws. Really, I don't think this could be any easier. It's really simple. You have two screws. That's all you have to put the whole thing together. And then you mount the screws down here at the bottom. Make sure that there's no gap between the top piece and the bottom piece. Just make sure it's good and flush. It's a little hard to start at first, but as you go, it gets easier. Okay, do the other side. Okay, so that's got the two screws. Okay, now we're just going to adjust that. And we will wrap it around. Connect that right there. Alright. So now the only piece we have left is the reservoir for the soap dispenser. But you just pop it down like that. Locks in place. One thing I wanted to show you as well is the handle mechanism. So I turn the knob so that the gap's in the front. It allows you to push down the handle, and you can turn it around to keep it down so that it doesn't come loose. Makes it more compact, and I like that. Less space it takes up. Turn it back again to extend it. And you turn it back to lock it in place so you can't push it down accidentally. Very nice unit. So the reservoir tank was the tank used to capture the dirty water after you have cleaned the floors. It can be emptied through this port here. Right here, just pour it upside down, let the water drain out. And then on the side there's a vent with a little filter there. You just pop it off, put the little lever back, and you can pull the filter out and clean it if needed. Pop it back in there. Very simple. Pop it in place. This is a very simple unit to use and take apart. It's not a whole lot of parts like my previous version, the Bissell ProHeat 2X, I think it is. Once your dirty water reservoir is filled up this line, then you can take it and empty it. It would be very easy to clean. You just run clean water through it, shake it, and then drain it. So it's very simple to use. It's pretty simplistic little model floor shampoo or carpet cleaner, and I like that about it. Not a whole lot of fuss to use it and to clean it. My previous model, man, it was a disaster. It stays dirty, and trying to clean all the gunk out from the thin layers of plastic is almost impossible to get all of that. But this model looks to be really good. So this is the dirty reservoir tank. Another piece that comes off really easy and is easy to clean is this little cross action brush plate or cover. All you do, take this little bracket here, pop it back, and the piece of plastic comes right out. It would be very easy to clean. Just run you some water through the little gap there in between the plastic. Really easy. On the bottom of the unit, there is the cleaning solution dispenser. It squirts out there. And on the top, you can see that there's a hose. The cleaning solution comes through from the back of the unit down from the tank. It's on the back of the handle. Then you've got your row of brushes. Now this isn't a set of brushes that spins. This is just one that as you're pulling the unit back and forth, it brushes that way, just back and forth. And this can be taken off to replace the belt. There's a belt unit down in there that you take off to get to replace the belt. Not very heavy. It's I like the design of it actually. I like the simplicity of it. It's in place. Fits right on there. Snap it in. It's good to go. Now this is the back piece. This is your release for the handle to come back. This is your power on and off. So down in here is where the cleaning solution comes from the tank here. That little nozzle fits in there like that. And then the solution runs down through the little pipe down in there, little hose, and runs down through here, down in the base, and back out to the front. It's really easy to fill this up. You just fill to the water line. The water gets up to that line, and then you fill the rest up with the cleaning solution. Bissell recommends their solution. I always find that their solution seems to gunk up the lines. Well, at least it did on my old model, the previous version I had, which is not the same model as this. But I've always used the purple stuff. And it does really well for me. Got the little dispenser mechanism right there. And you just put your cap back on. Tighten it down. Don't have to really get it real tight, just hand tight. Pop it down in there. You're ready to clean. Very affordable. If you're in the market for a shampooer and you're on a budget, this is a very affordable model. It's around, I paid a little less than $100, but I got it on sale. I think full price is just a little over $100. So it's a good little model if you're just starting out, don't want to spend a whole lot of money, and just want to try to test it, see how you like it. But yeah, this is the Bissell Readyclean carpet cleaner. Just wanted to show a comparison between the previous model of the Bissell cleaner that I have versus, or compared to the new one. The new one is, as you can see, quite a bit smaller. Doesn't have all the bells and whistles. This one has heat, has a heater, and the power for this model is on the back and does not have a heater. This does not include any attachments, any hose attachments like this one does. But I've never had much luck with the hose, with the accessories, the hoses and the scrubbers and stuff. Really never had much luck with it at all. I was never able to get it to work very well for me. People I let use it though say they were able to, but just about every time they had to use it, they had to clean it and spend about 30 minutes just getting it ready to use. And the reservoir was very complicated to clean. And if there was a problem, you always had to do something, take something apart, make sure something's in the right angle, or it was just complicated. So I think I'm going to like this new, more simplistic model much better, and I'll do an update video a little while later to let you know how it's going. So thanks for watching this video. If you have any comments or questions, leave them below, and have an awesome day.